Bitrix24 is an all-in-one collaboration, project management, and CRM platform designed to help businesses streamline their operations. It provides small businesses with access to a full-featured platform, including a free version that allows teams to get started without any upfront costs. In this beginner's tutorial, I will guide you through Bitrix24 so you can improve team collaboration, efficiently manage projects, and handle customer relationships, all in one place and for free. Before we dive into Bitrix24, let's go over the key areas we'll cover in this tutorial. First, we will explore collaboration and communication tools that help teams stay connected. Next, we will discuss project management, including how to create tasks, track progress, and optimize workflows. Lastly, we will take a closer look at customer relationship management, CRM, and how Bitrix24 can help you manage leads, track interactions, and build better customer relationships. Everything covered in this tutorial is available in the free plan, making it a great option for small businesses looking to enhance productivity without extra costs. Go to Bitrix24.com and you will land on the homepage. Click on Register Free to start setting up your account. You have the option to sign up using a social account like Google, Facebook, or Apple, or you can register with an email or phone number. For this tutorial, we will sign up using Google. Select your Google account, verify your details, and decide whether you want to receive updates from Bitrix24. If you are new to the platform, keeping these options enabled can be useful for staying informed about new features and updates. Once you've reviewed your choices, click Register for free and wait while Bitrix24 sets up your account. Once your account is set up, Bitrix24 will prompt you to choose your primary goal for using the platform. The options include customer management, project management, or team communication. If you're unsure which one to select, don't worry, you can always change this later. Your choice will personalize your dashboard, making it easier to navigate based on your needs. Now, we are on the Bitrix24 dashboard, which has a modern and user-friendly layout. The first section you'll notice is the activity stream. This serves as your main communication hub, where you can engage with your team, post updates, and track company activity. You can add comments, tag team members, and share files, making it an effective way to keep everyone in the loop. Right now, the activity stream is empty because we haven't added any team members yet. The first step is to invite people to join your workspace, allowing them to collaborate with you on projects, tasks, and discussions. On the left-hand menu, navigate to Employees. This section allows you to view and manage all the team members in your organization. Under Company Structure, you have the ability to create and organize different departments. This is useful for keeping your team structured and making sure that everyone is assigned to the correct group. For example, you can create departments such as marketing, sales, IT, and accounts, and then assign employees to the right category. This helps streamline communication and project management, ensuring that every department has the necessary access to relevant tasks and files. Once you have set up the company structure, the next step is to invite users to join your workspace. Click on Invite Users, and you will be given two options to bring people on board. You can either copy an invitation link and share it with your team, allowing them to join on their own, or you can manually enter their email addresses and send invitations directly. If you choose to send invitations via email, simply enter the addresses of your team members, review the details, and then click Invite. Once the invitation is sent, each person will receive an email with a link to join Bitrix24. After they accept and create their account, they will officially become part of your team on the platform. Once your team members have joined, they will automatically appear under the Employees section, and their names will also be visible in the right-hand panel of your dashboard. If someone accepts the invitation, you can easily interact with them by clicking on their profile. This allows you to start a conversation, view their assigned tasks, or check their recent activity within the platform. Having your entire team connected within Bitrix24 makes it much easier to manage work, communicate efficiently, and collaborate in real time. Now, let's return to the activity stream. This is the main hub where team members can post updates, share important information, and engage with one another. Since this is a central feature of Bitrix24, it helps keep everyone in the loop about recent activities, announcements, and discussions within the company. If one of your team members has accepted your invitation and joined Bitrix24, their name will now be visible in the right panel of your dashboard. You can click on their profile, which will open up different options for direct interaction. To improve communication even further, navigate to Chat and Calls in the left-hand menu. This section is designed to help teams communicate seamlessly, regardless of their location. Within this area, you have multiple options to interact with your colleagues. You can send instant messages to individual team members or group chats, making it easy to discuss work-related topics without switching to another platform. If you need a more direct form of communication, Bitrix24 also offers voice calls and video calls, allowing you to speak with your team members in real time. Additionally, you can create both private and public chats. Private chats are ideal for confidential conversations or smaller team discussions, while public chats are useful for company-wide announcements or open discussions. This flexible communication system ensures that all team members can stay connected, no matter where they are working from. Now, let's move to tasks and projects. This is where you manage projects, assign tasks, and track progress. On the left, you have tasks, and on the right, projects. To create a new task, click Create and enter details like task name, description, deadline, and assignees. You can also attach files or create a checklist. Click Save to create the task. For project management, click Create. You can choose an open project, private project, or external project for clients. Enter the project name, description, start and end dates, and assign team members. Click Create Project to finalize. Your project now appears under Work Groups. You can view it in a list format or switch to a Kanban board for a visual workflow. Now, let's explore the CRM system. Navigate to CRM. Bitrix24 offers a built-in CRM to manage leads, contacts, and sales pipelines. Under Deals, you can track potential sales. Click Create to enter details like client information and deal value. Click Save to add it to your pipeline. The pipeline stages can be customized based on your sales process. To add contacts, navigate to Contacts and click Create, enter the client's details and associate them with an ongoing deal. Similarly, under Companies, you can manage business clients. This free plan provides an excellent CRM for small businesses. Today, we covered the basics, but Bitrix24 offers more advanced CRM features if needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.